Hello and welcome to another video of our series Learn German Grammar, and this time we're talking about verbs of position and direction. First you will ask me, well, what are verbs of position and direction? And here they are. Verbs of direction: setzen, to seat oneself or someone or something. To seat oneself. For example, die Mutter setzt das Kind auf den Stuhl. Another verb is legen, to place something or someone in a horizontal position. Die Frau legt das Buch auf den Tisch. Another verb, stellen, to place something in a vertical position. Die Frau stellt die Flasche auf den Tisch. And hängen, to place something in a hanging position. Here, der Mann hängt den Spiegel an die Wand. Okay, so what is important? All the verbs of direction describe where something is moving to or is moved to by someone. So, wohin, where to? That's the question that this kind of verb answers. Auf den Stuhl, auf den Tisch, an die Wand. And you always need the accusative with this kind of verb. Now to the verbs of position. They are similar but not the same thing as the verbs of direction. First one, sitzen, not setzen. Sitzen, to be seated, to be in a seated position. Like here, das Kind sitzt auf dem Stuhl. Liegen, liegen, to be situated in a horizontal position. Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. The book is lying on the table. Stehen, to be situated in a vertical position. Die Flasche steht auf dem Tisch. It's standing on the table in this image. Hängen, same word as the verb of direction, but different meaning. Der Spiegel hängt an der Wand. So, what is important here? The verbs of position describe where something or someone is located. Auf dem Stuhl, auf dem Tisch, an der Wand. And the question here is not where to, but where. Auf Deutsch, wo. And as you see, dem Stuhl, dem Tisch, der Wand, that's the dative, not the accusative. So here you need the dative. Okay, this is important. And now let's have a short look at the conjugation in the present tense. Actually, I'll keep it really short. Stellen, stehen. Legen, liegen. So you see, it's two different verbs. Setzen, sitzen. Actually, the conjugation of hängen is the same as a verb of direction and as a verb of position. Hänge, hängst, hängt, hängen, hängt und hängen. Okay, present tense is rather simple. Now we'll have a look at the past tense. So, the verbs of direction are in yellow, stellen, and actually the form they are always in a regular mode. So stellte, stelltes, stellte, stellten, stelltet, and stellten. So no big deal. All of the verbs of direction are really easy to form. but the verbs of position are not regular. Stand, standest, stand, standet, standet, standen. So there the E in the present tense becomes an A in the past tense. Liegen, legte, legtest, legte, and so on, very regular. Liegen, the IE becomes A or A. So lag, lags, lag, lagen, lagt, lagen. Setzen, setzte, setztest, and so on, regular. And saß, saßest, saß, saßen, saßt, saßen, irregular. Hängen, actually here there is a difference between the verb of direction, it's regular again, and the verb of position is irregular. So you see hängte, hing, hängtest, hingst, hängte, hing, hängten, hingen, and so on. So it's different. And the same goes for the present perfect. The verbs of direction are regular, and always you use the auxiliary haben with them. Ich habe gestellt, ich habe gelegt, ich habe gesetzt, ich habe gehängt. For the verbs of position, you can either use haben or sein. In the north of Germany, you use haben more frequently, and in the south, you use sein. Okay, so ich habe oder ich bin gestanden, gelegen, gesessen und gehangen, nicht gehängt. So, two different verbs. Okay, now that's what you need to learn. And when you've finished, or when you already know it, then you can do this little exercise. What I want you to do is to fill in the correct form of the verb in the present tense and in the past tense, plus the correct article of the noun. I would suggest you stop the video now and write down all the solutions, and when you're finished, you continue with the video. All right, I think you're finished by now. Let's have a look at the first sentence. Die Uhr hängt or hing an der Wand. Wo befindet sich die Uhr? Where is the clock located? Sie hängt an der Wand or sie hing an der Wand. Der Schüler legt oder legte das Heft in die Tasche. Where did he put the exercise book? Where did he put it? He put it into the bag. Therefore, it's a verb of direction here. Die Stifte liegen or lagen auf dem Boden. Wo befinden sich die Stifte? Die Lehrerin stellt oder stellte ihre Tasche. Wohin stellte sie ihre Tasche? Auf den Stuhl. Akkusativ. Die Schüler sitzen oder saßen. Wo sitzen sie? Auf den Stühlen. Plural. Den Stühlen. Das Buch liegt oder lag auf dem Tisch. Wo lag das Buch? Where was the book located? Or is the book located? Die Lampe hängt or hing an der Decke. Und der Direktor hängt or hängte den Stundenplan wohin? An die Tür. Akkusativ. All right, I hope you've got all of that correct, and I thank you a lot for your participation. Vielen Dank für die Aufmerksamkeit und noch viel Spaß beim Deutschlernen. Tschüss.